You have the power to change yourself. You have the power to change outside. You should not worry about what world is thinking, what God is doing, why pain is happening to you, why everything is going wrong for you. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. Today we are discussing about pranayam, breathing technique. In that, three topics we will cover. First, unlock the science of pranayam. We will go deep with the understanding of pranayam and the science. Second, master your breath. So, how to get mastery on your breath energy, breath power. And third is, once you take mastery on your breath, how you get mastery on your life. So these three things, they all are interlinked. When you talk about science, observe carefully. There are billions of people on planet Earth. They all have unique breath pattern. Because they breathe different, they are different. So each one of us, we are breathing with our own way. We don't have set pattern. That morning we start with the system, afternoon we follow some system, or we conclude our day with some special breathing method. We are doing this as per our own understanding, as per our own comfort. The science itself is happening with our life. We are different because we are breathing different. The chemicals involved in the air, which makes this breath our life, that is the science of pranayama. The air outside is not life. What you breathe in, that air, that breath is your life. So what is added in that air equal to the science of pranayama. How we understand this, how we go deep in this system, that is your journey, that is your breathing training. If your food is not nutritious, then you will be a weak person, your body will be weak. But if you add all the nutrition in your food, you will become powerful. Same way, when we are trying to change our nature, our identity, the way how you are as a person, your food is your breath. If you strengthen the way how you breathe, if you work on this pattern, you will be able to grow with your mind, with your body, with your spirit. And why I need to be aligned with this technique? There is no other method which can build you. The thoughts what you have, they are with you because you have breath in your body. See, we are alive because of breath, and death is when we are not breathing. Everything else is there in the body, but the breath is missing. If breath is missing, you will be considered as dead body. So thoughts, action, movement, growth, dream, manifestation, power, secret, all these powers, they work for you because you have breath in your system. So root is our breath. If we nurture and nourish this root, naturally you will grow. The way how you take care of your plant, the way how you give manure, the sunlight, the water to that plant, equal to the result. You will achieve all results if you take care of the root of this system, and your root is your breath. So getting a mastery on breath, it's not just a subject. Getting mastery on breath equal to your life. So those who want to grow with their life, they should not They should not run outside. You should not worry about what world is thinking, what God is doing, why pain is happening to you, why everything is going wrong for you. You need to calm down, sit down, and connect with the root. And your root is your breath. Start working on this. Get into this subject of mastery of your breath and become master of this subject. More you go deep in this training, you will find so many secrets. There are people, those who are not serious about their life. There are people, those who are serious, but they are not ready to take action. Then there are uncommon breed. They are thinking special. They have special thoughts. They have special plan with their life. Now all these verticals, they will have their own breath pattern. Someone who wants to get destroyed, they will have very panicking breathing pattern. How I'll know that I am disturbed with my breath? You see their nature. If someone is getting angry, every now and then, if someone is lazy all the time, someone is in stress, depression all the time, someone is very irritated, very much in a mood to be negative, they have negative breath pattern. And those who are growing in life, those who are smiling, those who are laughing and dancing, you see their breath pattern will be very powerful. That is positive breathing pattern. So for us, mastery of breath equal to becoming positive with this technique. To become positive, we actually need to go completely in this process. But the subject is vast. Question comes at how we can begin this journey, how we can start. Now for that, you can use this simple method known as Sahaja Shankh Mudra. With that, you do the breathing technique. So breathing technique name is Sahaja Pranayama. Sahaj meaning simple, relaxed, calm. That kind of breathing technique. How we do this? Sit down, relax with your body, both hands out, interlock them. Bring this gesture in front of your navel and then close your eyes. Hold this posture. See, the gesture name is Sahaj Shankh Mudra. And what you are doing now? First, you will balance the way how you are breathing. You will correct that. And then consciously observe how the breath is going out and how it's coming in. And the most important is the hold. Now, the key practice of Sahaja Pranayama is you are breathing very slow and then you are using your stomach. So when you are inhaling, you see the expansion of your stomach, and when you are exhaling, the stomach goes inside. It is powerful and helpful for everyone. Young ones they can do, elders they can do, athletes they can practice, homemaker, business people, all can practice this technique. For sure it will help you if you are a beginner. But the technique is very dynamic for those who are going in advanced training. They also can take benefit of Sahaja Pranayama. Gradually you should add more time. From 5 minutes go to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You can practice this technique for 30 minutes. And those who really want to know the power of Sahaja Pranayama, or those who want to have strong foundation, you can practice this technique for 1 hour. More you practice, more you gain. So when you are getting mastery of any subject, the result will be amazing. If you are getting into the mastery of breath, your life will become powerful. And the only reason is because you know how you are breathing. When you have such command on your breath, you will be able to decide your next step. The way you are thinking, this whole pattern will transform. The way how you are observing your life, the way how you are creating your perception about the world, everything will transform positively for you. So, it's not only because you want to grow in life. If you want to live on planet Earth peacefully, with health, prosperity, growth, success, you must work on your breath pattern. Those who are aligned with their breath, they are aligned with the energies of universe. And when both of you are together, you are powerful. When both energies they connect, they create a special phenomena, and that phenomena is growth. And that's what the ultimate goal of our life is: to work on this purpose, to make this purpose your higher purpose. Go deep with the science of pranayama. This is for the day. Now, with your more practice, we will meet soon. To begin with this technique, you can start now, and when you feel that you are ready to go deep with the pranayama training, you need to move towards a place which gives you that atmosphere. It's very important. If your place is having a polluted air, you may not be able to reap the benefit of this process. You need to change and transform the place favorably. You need to change the place favorably for yourself. The place must work for you. It's very much like, suppose if I need to travel from one country to another country, I can use a bicycle, I can use a car or train, but the fastest mode of my travel is plane. Plane can bring me to that place much faster. So you need to change the mood, you need to change the atmosphere. Those who are working on their life, those who are really serious about their life, you should not be hesitant to take action for change. And change is not about yourself. You have all the potential to do anything on this planet. You have the power to change yourself. You have the power to change outside. Believe yourself. So let's conclude for the day with your other queries, your questions, your practices. We'll meet again. Namo Himalaya.